Hey, 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 party people. It's Jennifer Woolsey. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup, and we are going to do a very quick mom tutorial this morning with some new products. I'm so excited. I love it when we have new stuff launched, so stay tuned for that. I asked for a scrunchy headband, and AVON showed up, so I've got a new headband thing going on. And look, finally a messy bun. It's finally long enough for a messy bun. So all the fun things happening. Let's hop in. I've already done my morning skincare regimen using that Knox, a new day cream and serums for the eyes and the face and getting the glow going on. And then I already used my BDL Lumelayer primer to prime and get ready for the makeup. So let's hop in and go ahead and do some concealer. We're doing Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha. Here we go. Just putting, I think I got a little bit on my, too much on my one. That's all right. We can work it. So I'm just using that ring finger and working it in. So I put a title today of gratitude is the first step to success. And so I've been doing some soul searching lately and learning some new things. And one of the things that has really stuck with me, and I think I've shared this with you guys before, but one of the things that has really stuck with me is how much gratitude first thing in the morning can change your whole day, can change your whole week, and ultimately change your whole year. So what do I mean by gratitude? So every morning I start with, I have a journal, like my prayer journal, where I write down 3 things I'm grateful for, and I write down, things that I'm working for, and then, I do my scripture reading and stuff. Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. I think I'm going to mix a little bit of Custard in too. But what I have found in this process is that if you will just take a moment in your day and just say out loud, write it down on a piece of paper. This is Custard. I'm mixing shades a little bit. And just write down, what, and it doesn't have to be huge things. I mean, do you have heat in your home this morning when it is freezing cold in Texas? It is freezing here. And that's something to be grateful for. Do you have food to feed your family? That's something to be thankful for. I'm going to take this buffing brush and work that foundation in. And I'm just doing light little movements. So why does gratitude help? Well, because I think sometimes, especially in the age of social media, we can look at other people's best reels of their life, because that's what people tend to put on social media, and we can compare ourselves and think, well, I don't have it as good as that person. I wish I had the money and the cars and all the things that person has. But if you will stop and just count your blessings for the things that you do have, it just makes life a little bit sweeter. And it makes it so that all those things that other people may be posting on social media, they don't have an effect on you. Because look, you're glad that those people have the things that they have, but you're grateful for the things that you have. And this is always my example. I'm doing Tattoo Station Proof Brow Pencil. So years ago, I had a friend whose kids were super active. I mean, in dance and baseball, I think karate, sorry, soccer, I mean, just in all the things. And she was just run ragged. And she had posted, if I have to take my kids to one more practice, I'm going to lose my mind. They are just in everything. And I was like, first, you signed them up for all those things. But anyway, and I just simply commented and said, oh, what I would do to be able to have that problem with my boys is that they wanted to be too active in sports, that it ran me ragged taking them to practices. And I said, just remember to count your blessings for the things that you do have, because there's someone that would love to have that problem. And she and I later on had a conversation off Facebook, and I wasn't trying to be, you know, hateful or anything like that. Really, Magix dust. I was just trying to give her a little bit of perspective that, you know, as crazy as your life may seem right now with young children and running them 90 places at a time and all those things, there's a parent somewhere with a special needs kid that would do anything for her kid to be able to do something normal like that. And so, you know, it's just about perspective, I think, in your life. And gratitude lets you know that you're blessed with something that somebody else may not have. And so be grateful for it. You don't have to be embarrassed, or you don't have to be ashamed or anything like that. Just be grateful for it, because there's probably a mama somewhere that would love to have the blessings that you have. And so that was kind of my whole point. But I think it started on a whole nother conversation, and she and I actually became very good friends. And I go to those sporting events and cheer those kids on because, you know, I'm proud of them and excited, and my boys enjoy going. So I just think it's about looking around your life and just taking stock in the things that God has blessed you with. Okay, let's use this Love in Paris eye palette. I've been playing with it. I've been teasing you guys with it, and it is here. It launches today on my website. You can pick this up yourself. And we are going to go in with, let's do some browns. I haven't played much with these two brown shades. So we're going to pick up those two browns. Oh yeah, they're chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Okay, and we're making a higher arch here. If you've been watching me for any time, you know that I have hooded eyes, so we're making a higher arch here so that we can get all the color on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's chocolate. We're gonna blend, don't worry. Don't get antsy with me here and be like, girl, what are you doing? That is too much. We're gonna blend. It does look kind of like a raccoon's eye. You can even blend that crease a little bit just by going back and forth, and it softens that look a little bit. Girl. Okay. Next, let's take some of this kind of a nudish peach color here. We're going to work it in this middle part into that crease, and you can really blend now. This is where you really, and I changed brushes too, FYI. I'm using a blending brush. See how that softens that look so much? I love this palette. There's so many beautiful colors. The pigmentation is really good. It has stayed with me all day on the days that I've worn it. I've definitely got all day look. Blend, blend, blend. It's kind of a cat eye look. Kind of a cat eye look here. I'm going to go up into that crease now, and I'm going to blend it a little bit better because we went dark. Dark with that chocolate. Let's add, I'm going to pull this kind of a silvery color, and I'm going to use that under the brow to do a little highlight. And I can taper down that brown just a little bit. When I say pigmented, I mean these colors are bold. There you go. That kind of helps taper that down just a little bit. Yes! Yes, girl. I think we need to blend a little bit more on this side. It's all about art, right? You're just playing with your eyes, playing with your colors, trying to get it to all work. Let me swatch a few of these colors for you. Let's do this emerald. Oh, it's not going to show up as good on camera as it really does in real life. Let's do this purple. I love this purple. We're definitely going to have to do a tutorial with it. It's so pretty. And then let's do this chocolate. Look at those swatches. So pretty. So pretty. This is going to be a palette that you are going to need this holiday season. I promise. Okay. We're going to do our SuperExtend Precision Liner, Liquid Liner, and add to this. There we go. Yes, girl. When you add in the finishing touches like the mascara and the eyeliner, it just really makes that eye look pop, and it gives you something to be grateful for because you have beautiful eyes. And in today's world where we have to wear a mask everywhere, love mascara. Eyes are all you got, baby. Your eyes and your hair are about all you have because you can't see anything else. Okay, we're doing Love Waterproof Mascara on our lashes, mainly because it's raining outside. And I have had a pretty emotional week. So, we just want to get those lashes ready for all the fun. And no, they are not false. They are my lashes. I use my Unlimited Lash Serum every night to help grow my lashes and my brows, and it does all the work, and it makes them so thicker and fuller. Combined with my Love Mascara that has these extra long, or these extra little heart-shaped fibers in it. That also gives it some growth and some volume and makes them so long and pretty. There we go. Today, I'm grateful for a beautiful eye makeup. All right, let's finish off with a little bit of blush from Blush in Love. We're going to blush these cheeks with a little bit of pink. The cool thing about a scrunchie like this, I think they're like $4.99. They're not bad. But a cool thing about a scrunchie like this is it definitely keeps all that hair out of your face. I'm going to show you guys the City of Lights illuminator. Like in Paris, we are illuminating up the sky. This one is shade Charmed. So we're going to use an illuminator, kind of like a highlighter. you're just going to go right underneath the eye area. And it's just going to give that little bit of highlight going right here. I don't know if you can see it as good in the camera as it really does. It looks good in person. Okay. Finishing touch. We are going to use the lip gloss in the City of Lights palette. I got something in my mouth. The lip gloss in the City of Lights palette. What is that? Ugh. I need a new brush, I think. Ugh. Okay, and this is the Holographic lip gloss. Love it. It's so pretty. Okay, well, our City of Lights makeup tutorial is complete. All of these products have launched today on your avon.com/jwoolsey. So go pick them up. They make great Christmas gifts. It'll make great gifts for like a Chinese Christmas or like a secret sister or something like that. You can spoil somebody in your life and get them a little bit of cute makeup style going on this year. So thank you guys for getting ready with me. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. You make my life better. And go out today, find 3 things that you are grateful for. Say them out loud, write them down on a piece of paper, and remember to keep practicing gratitude. It's going to help you a lot more in your life than you realize. Have a beautiful day. Thanks, guys. Oh, and share this video and like and subscribe. Share this video and like and subscribe. See you all later. Bye-bye.